So the Camaro's gone, so now put the Corvette back inside. We got some 1971 New Hampshire dealer plates from our family's Chevrolet Oldsmobile dealership that we sold in 1972. And they happen to perfectly match the Corvette. I don't know if I can get this in here without... I need to put it on skates. Okay. I'm getting a 57 Corvette black with red interior in to put the whole interior together, the dash, and finish sorting out the restoration basically. That'll be coming next. And then a couple more Corvettes. Okay, that's about time to go. It's decided to start raining here. Boy, that getting the Camaro out of here with a... We ended up changing out a bunch of just little things, and then the clutch rod, the clutch pedal was, or the clutch lever was so worn that we ended up having to weld it up and then face the shaft and do a bunch of stuff in order to get the car out of here. But no big deal. My dad actually came over and took it back to his place, welded everything up, and then put it in the drill press and drilled it out. Okay, well, it's about time to go out. Peace.